Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Formaloo Office. Thank you so much for joining us today. We are kicking off this fall by introducing a truly magical and revolutionary product. I'm incredibly excited for this year's event. Not only because it's our biggest keynote yet, but because today marks our most significant launch since the very beginning of Formaloo. But before we dive into that, I have a few quick updates to share. First, let's talk about our form builder. This year, we have officially become one of the top 10 form builders in the world. And just a few weeks ago, we hit an amazing new milestone. Right now, more than 1 million daily active forms and surveys are live on Formaloo. Daily active. That's amazing. Formaloo forms have revolutionized how businesses collect information from their customers, collaborate with their team members, and automate workflows, all in one seamless platform. Now we come a long way, but this is just the beginning. In the last quarter alone, our customers saw over 50 million unique people interacting with their Formaloo tools. That's an staggering impact, showing how Formaloo is helping businesses grow worldwide by streamlining data collection, reducing manual errors, and unlocking real-time insight that drive smarter decisions. Imagine the time saved, the efficiency gains, and it's empowering teams to focus on what matters most, innovation and growth. Next update. In the last 6 months, we have seen a huge surge in usage of Formaloo by large teams, especially after introduction of Formaloo workflows and our new access management features. Today, I'm very happy to announce that we are not just serving leading brands and enterprises around the globe, but we are powering over 10,000 tech companies, more than 2,000 healthcare organizations, 1,000 universities and educational institutions, and over 10,000 marketing and software agencies in more than 50 countries. That's extraordinary. But these numbers are not going to tell the full story. The bigger picture is what they represent. Thousands of businesses, from startups to Fortune 500 companies, using Formaloo not just as a form builder, but as their workflow hub, their client portal, their data backbone. It's transforming how teams operate, making collaboration effortless, and scaling operations without usual headaches. Why do all of these companies use Formaloo? We have three main product lines: Formaloo Forms, Formaloo Client Portals, and of course, Formaloo Workflows. As you can see, all of these revolve around collecting data and working with it in your organization. That's where we shine, and now it's amazing to see how Formaloo has transformed thousands of businesses by automating their work. And because of that, we set one goal for ourselves in 2025: to become the best form builder and workflow automation system for businesses in the world. Not one of the best, but the best. And in just a few minutes, you see how we already achieved this with the launch of Formaloo 4.0. Before we get there, let's step back to 1980s, when the first digitalization of forms happened. What you might have remembered as e-forms or electronic forms. If you think about it, electronic forms haven't changed that much in the past 40 years. We went from paper forms to electronic forms, but that's it. It took businesses 4 decades to make forms a little bit more prettier, add simple electronic features like signing a document online, creating a little bit smarter forms with conditions, calculations. But really, that's it. The forms and the documents we work with every day haven't evolved that much in decades. But today we live in the age of AI. Do you think people will still have to fill out forms manually in 5 years? Or sign documents one by one? I don't think so. In the AI era, everything that can be automated will be automated. Our team at Formaloo, we are not interested to make forms just a little bit better. We want to create the next generation of forms. We want to create the next generation of forms for the AI era. Forms that your customers don't have to fill out. Workflows that are smart and run automatically, where you can command them. No manual steps, no human involvement. Documents that are not just dumb files sitting on your devices, but smart documents that adapt to your needs and update automatically. Back then, when we started Formaloo, we had one core belief that every business, no matter its size, deserved the same opportunities as the biggest enterprises in the world. But traditional data tools were very expensive, very complex, and they were designated for data scientists and developers. We set out to change that. For years, forms have been just some input, some boxes you fill out, data you send somewhere else. Some might say necessary, but very boring, very repetitive, very time consuming, and not fun at all. In the AI era, the challenge isn't just data collection anymore. We have it. The real challenge is activation, turning that data into documents, workflows, decisions, and the growth for our business. And that's exactly why we built Formal 4.0. The next generation of forms, the next generation of workflows. Forms that remember you, workflows that are automatic, documents that act, and AI that works for you as a teammate, not the other way around. Tonight, we are going to show you exactly what we mean by that, how Formal 4 is looking like in action. Picture a university student who has never have to fill out another form or provide their information, saving hours of frustration and ensuring accuracy every time. An HR manager who turns one single form into a signed contract, a new hire packet, and a payroll entry automatically, all of it. Streamlining process, onboarding, reducing errors, and letting the focus to be on the work itself, not manual processes. An agency managing dozens of clients, each with their own secure workspace, centralizing everything, all files, all data for faster collaboration, better security, and happier clients. A hospital that collects patient data, generates lab results, and stay HIPAA compliant, all with one seamless flow, improving patient care while cutting cost and administrative tasks. This is the future of forms and data collection. And this is what Formal 4.0 delivers. It's not about efficiency. It's about empowering you to do more with less, turning data into real-world impact that grow your business. Today, we are thrilled to announce the all-new Formaloo 4.0, a major leap forward with over 100 new features and upgrades designed to supercharge your forms, your documents, your workflows. This is our biggest update yet. Let's go into some of the coolest features in my opinion, starting with the one that I'm very excited on. Today, we are introducing a one-of-a-kind feature that has never been done before in any platform. For the first time ever, your forms can have the full functionality of a full-fledged application. Even better, they automatically remember and fill out data for each respondent. No manual entry ever again. We are introducing Formaloo memory forms. And here's Noosh, our CMO, to tell you more about it. Hi Noosh, how you doing?
Hi, hello everyone and welcome. So let me show you just one example. With memory forms, your audience logs in once and all of your forms remember them. Imagine student applications, recurring surveys, or client onboarding. Instead of retyping everything, users get a personalized experience every single time. That means higher completion rates, up to 30% more based on our tests. Less friction and happier users who feel valued and understood. It builds loyalty, reduces drop offs, and gives you richer, more accurate data to work with. With memory forms, each of your customers get a dedicated profile in your system, and their information updates automatically when they interact with your forms, websites, or applications. This isn't just convenient, it's a game changer for your personalization, allowing you to tailor experiences that drive engagement and conversations. Plus, you can use this for enhanced security and control. Create forms that require a secure login before viewing or submitting. Build centralized user profiles with fully customizable fields and enable Magic Link login. No passwords, no friction. This keeps data safe, complies with regulations, and gives you peace of mind while scaling your operations effortlessly.
Yeah. We ourselves are not creating normal forms anymore. Every form that we build is memory form.
And that's amazing, right? That's amazing. Now let's talk about Formaloo docs. We've already seen how powerful Formaloo is at collecting data. But what happens next? Forms used to be a one-way street, but not anymore. Businesses have long struggled to turn their information into documents and send them back. It requires juggling 4 to 5 tools just to create and sign a simple contract. That pain is over. In the AI era, documents aren't static files anymore. They should automatically update, be fully customizable, and integrate seamlessly into your processes, which are unique, right? That's why we created Formaloo Smart Docs, the next generation of document management and e-signature service. It is built for the AI era. With Smart Docs, you can turn form submissions into personalized, dynamic documents automatically, saving hours of manual work and eliminating errors. Easily generate custom PDFs based on responses, add signatures, layouts, and conditional sections. Create reusable PDF templates and attach them to any form or email or workflow. Automatically send generated documents to respondents, your team, or third parties, or your clients. Transform your results into smart documents. Turn simple responses into signed contracts, like certificates, lab results, grade sheets, proposals, codes, quiz results, and many more. So this means faster closings for sales teams, quicker approvals in HR, and instant reporting in healthcare, all boosting productivity and customer satisfaction. With Formaloo 4.0, you can send, sign, and store unlimited signed documents directly in your workspace.
No extra cost.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And it supports secure, legally compliant e-signatures that work seamlessly for contracts, agreements, consent forms, and any documents you have. Combine it with conditional workflows and triggers for full automation. And best of all, you have full control over your generated documents. Add your brand, manage your approval steps, design conditions, make them truly smart. With Formal Docs, you can fully replace DocuSign, right?
Yeah,
Or
exactly.
any other document automation services with one all-in-one platform. So cutting costs, simplifying your tech stack, and giving you single source of truth for all of your data needs.
So far we replaced 5, 6, 7 tools so far. And let's see how we go. Okay. Next big thing. Thanks, Nush. Next big feature that we have. I'm happy to say we have a major update to our most popular feature, Formaloo workflows. Thousands of businesses have already managed processes with Formaloo. But to be honest, we are all friends here. The current version that we got here, you got the job done, but it didn't feel like magic. And we love magic in Formaloo. So I'm very happy to announce that the biggest update in Formaloo 4 is actually a truly magical Formaloo workflows. Now, here's Amir, our CIO, to show you this amazing new feature. Hi Amir.
Hello.
How you doing?
Good. How are you?
Thanks.
Okay. Thanks, Farrell. So our goal with formal workflows is to make every process as easy as possible for your team while turning complex tasks and processes like multi-step approvals into super simple ones. This saves like time, reduces bottlenecks, and lets your team focus on high-value work. Now you can create a new approval system with just one click. Assign tasks internally to teams, departments, or staff, and even to external users like customers or your audience, whoever they are.
This is very cool.
Yeah, perfect. And this streamlines collaboration across boundaries like teams, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks and speeding up decisions. You can also allow respondents to update their submissions. We heard you, and many use cases like applications, tickets, requests, users need to update or revise their entries after the submission. Now, it is possible. So you can securely enable this with full authentication and enterprise ready security and apply it to any form or any limited number or specific users or entries that you need. Benefits: fewer follow up emails, more accurate data, and smoother experiences for your users, audiences, and this will build trust. Our workflow engine has received a major upgrade. Now, your logic, calculations, and conditions, logic actions, we call them, can run not only on new submissions, but also when these entries, submissions, or rows are updated. You have full control to define which rules trigger on updates and easily build multi-step workflows.
Yes.
Yep.
Exactly. The
And
hard part
all
about
without a
before.
single line of code.
No, not at all.
Yeah, that's what we do. So this means adaptive processes that evolve with your business and processes and automating everything from lead nurturing to inventory management, cutting manual effort by up to 80%. Great news for larger enterprises and big agencies. We are introducing a new thing called Formaloo Super Admin, where you can manage multiple teams, organizations, clients from one single admin panel. You can define your departments, teams, roles, everything. With multi-team and multi-tenant management, an agency can now like handle all its clients from one dashboard, simplifying oversight and scaling services without chaos. With 15 plus permission levels, enterprises can confidently roll out Formaloo to thousands of their employees while staying compliant with GDPR and HIPAA. And with workflow automation, that same agency can automatically also push like leads from a survey into their CRM, notify the right team in a Slack by email, or trigger a personalized follow-up email,
Do
and
everything.
all instantly. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
This is by far the most requested feature that we had, both for enterprises with like thousands of employees and also with agencies.
Yeah. And the last part, this boosts efficiency and ensuring compliance, and also drives revenue growth through seamless integrations that we've introduced.
Awesome.
Yes.
Awesome.
Let's
Awesome.
go back to Pharaoh for the
Thanks.
next exciting part.
Thanks, Amir. So now we arrive at my favorite part of the event. Nowadays, you hear a lot about AI, but unfortunately, most of AI powered tools out there aren't truly useful. Our goal here is to build the best form builder and workflow automation system, right? Not just for now, but for the AI era. We research very deeply what businesses need in a tool like Formaloo in the future, not just today. In our discussions with our customers, we saw how everyone loved using AI in their business. But unfortunately, again, they couldn't. They can't because currently AI systems that are out there, while they are great for individuals, but they are not super great at business processes or team collaboration. That's actually how we designed Formaloo AI to prevent that. The power of AI should be at your command. And our job here is to incorporate what you want to do with AI in your business for you. So, Formaloo AI serves as the new user interface for AI, seamlessly integrating your customers' data, your work data, and your business processes for you to break down silos, enhance collaboration, and boost productivity across all of your organization. When I say a UI for AI, what do I mean? What do I mean that Formaloo is a UI for AI? It means that at every aspect of your business, you can incorporate AI using Formaloo by having Formaloo AI-powered data blocks, integrate data at every process, and you direct, analyze, and generate data at each stage based on your own commands, based on your own rules. This makes your decision much, much faster and much more informed. We have AI-powered automation, so you can create workflows with automatic steps and follow-ups, eliminating any repetitive tasks that you want to do and ensuring consistency. Best of all is AI-powered apps and bots. So now in Formaloo, you can create custom apps, bots, and internal tools powered by AI, trained with your own data and the applications that follow your own rules. These agents automate business processing, working, and everything independently or by human oversight. So this agent builder is the cornerstone of what makes Formaloo great for businesses. This is my favorite part of the event. So now I want to ask Hassan, our CTO, talk to you much more about these cool AI features that we have. Hi Hassan, how you doing? Awesome. Yeah.
Hi, Farrokh. Thank you a lot. With Formaloo 4.0, AI is your co-pilot. We bring AI deep into your workflows. These tools have save hours of manual work, boost form completion rates, and help create smarter, more personalized experiences for your audience, ultimately driving engagement, conversions, and loyalty. For example, magic questions or the smart question bank. You can let AI suggest your next questions for or fields based on your form's context. AI-powered recommendations for your multiple choice drop-downs, ratings, and other inputs. It's perfect for surveys, quizzes, onboarding, and applications. This speeds up your form creation by 50%, ensures relevance, and improves responses quality by asking the right question, leading to better insights and higher user satisfaction. You will also have magic import. You can import your existing forms from Google Forms, Typeform, JotForm, WordPress, or even raw HTMLs instantly, while preserving all fields, logic, and structure. And then you can upgrade imported forms with e-signatures, PDF templates, and AI workflows.
All of the goodies of Formaloo.
Yeah.
You can add it.
Benefits: seamless migration, zero downtime, and instant enhancements that modernize your processes without starting from scratch. You will also have response analyze. You can turn form responses into instant insights without spreadsheets. You can define your custom rules and let AI tag, score, or categorize responses automatically. It will highlight priority leads, urgent tickets, or high-value customers instantly. Push insights into dashboards, CRMs, or automations.
Analytics used to be hard, but not anymore.
Yes, it's as simple as a click now. You can also have magic rewrite. It will rewrite any questions, labels, or choices with just one click. It can make your content clearer, friendlier, or more professional, fix any grammar, tones, and readability issues instantly. You can choose tones like concise, formal, casual, or persuasive. This will polish your forms and enhance your user experience and boost your completion rates by making everything intuitive and engaging. We have magic email. You can automatically serve personalized emails based on each response, create dynamic templates and adapt to your user answer. Automated confirmations, offers, follow-ups, and re-engagement emails. You can drive higher conversions with tailored messaging. For example, you can turn a job application into automated interview invites, rejections, or follow-ups instantly. This personalizes communications, increases response rates, and scales marketing without extra effort.
No more sending mass emails or spam for anyone. You can
Yes.
personalize for each person.
Yeah, everyone gets what they want. Yes.
Exactly. Game changer for sales as well.
Specifically for sales. Okay. And you can analyze your files with Formaloo AI. You can analyze PDFs, Excel sheets, text files, and documents, all powered by Formaloo AI. You can train your AI to analyze the data based on your specific rules, conditions, and commands. You can unlock advanced document processing at scale, extracting key info, spotting trends, and automating reviews, ideal for compliance checks, report generations, saving days of manual analysis. You will also have data enrichment with Formaloo. You can automatically qualify leads and fill in information with just a simple contact form. You can automatically collect details like company size, LinkedIn profile, and more. This is a game changer for the sales teams.
Exactly.
Enriching leads instantly, shortening sales cycles, and driving revenue by providing ready-to-act insights without manual research.
Yeah. And
All
cut
done by
costs.
AI.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, exactly. Thanks. And these are just some glimpses of Formaloo AI. Go and see how powerful it is. It's just like few examples. So, but that's not all. So, as you remember, we are introducing more than 100 new features and upgrades with Formaloo 4. It has so much to unpack. But here are some of my favorite ones as well. So first thing is that now you can create reservation forms, one of the most requested features. So you can limit availability of your items. You can add reservations to your forms and manage limited items. For example, you can sell event tickets with limited availability, like 100 early bird adopters. And you can prevent overselling, creating urgency, boost sign-up sales. Or you can do scheduling now with Formaloo. You can lock slots and avoid double booking and ensuring smooth operations. You can do voting now with Formaloo. Enable one-time selection with secure controls, promising fair participation. And you can add professionalism and control to any of your forms with this feature. The next one that I'm very excited is HubSpot integration. So we had a HubSpot integration and that now is upgraded to do a lot more. This massive boost is now allows you to sync deals and companies in addition to the contacts, and it's super fast now. It's almost instant that you can sync Formaloo and HubSpot back and forth together. The next one is our new integration with NA10. AI-powered workflow automation with NA10 is what we are doing right now. So we are expanding our workflow integration to include NA10 in addition to Zapier, Make, Pabbly, Albato, and all other tools. Why? Because we want to leverage NA10 strength in AI-powered workflows and connecting your forms into amazing features like memories, like multiple models of AIs, and all of over 1,000 applications available on NA10. This enables seamless automation and AI-driven access management and basically app creation using Formaloo. Our form editor got a major update as well. We redesigned it and added a lot of new features. Now you can drag and drop fields, pages, and you can do a lot more. You can multi-delete entries with one click, duplicate the fields, add 10 new signature formats to contracts, and more than that, the formal logic that support relational fields. So you can apply conditional logics, calculation, and workflow rules to any fields in your database, not just one form, to everything. A good news for client portals and memory form users, is that now we have cookieless authentication. So you can have cookieless browser using Formaloo as well. Also, in addition to that, we have a new firewall for anti-spam and anti-bot prevention, so that can you have basically powerful leads with you, and you secure your forms with this new firewall as well. So these are my favorites, but there are much, much more. So what does all of this add up to? So Formaloo 4 is more than just forms. You see that we added forms, documentation, and workflow in one single space. So Formaloo is an all-in-one platform that replaces 5 to 7 tools for every organization. Tools that remember your users, workflows that run themselves without any human involvement, documents that are smart and update automatically, and AI that works like a teammate for you. So our vision is bold. We have a big picture for ourselves to make Formaloo the operating system for how teams collect, decide, and act based on their data to make smart decisions. And we are just getting started. One more thing. I'm happy to say that Formaloo 4 is available for everyone starting today. So you can use it right now. And to celebrate that, we are having exciting surprises for you. First thing first, our new free plan. Thousands of individuals, freelancers, and small businesses rely on Formaloo free plan and to do their business. And now I'm pleased to announce that our free plan is changed to become unlimited. Unlimited forms, unlimited responses, 100% free. No payment, no credit card, no nothing. Never again you have to pay for crazy prices for additional responses to your forms, for your surveys, for your quizzes. This makes Formaloo the most affordable survey platform and form builder on the planet. We are democratizing how powerful tools are used by small businesses. Second, again to celebrate the Formaloo 4.0 launch, we are offering Formaloo Pro Plan to the first 100 people for only $99 lifetime membership. No monthly fees whatsoever, never again, until the end of time. You can grab your lifetime deal before it's gone. It's very limited, but as a thank you for staying with us, we are giving it away. So go sign up to Formaloo, try it, share your feedback with us, try to see how you can use it in your business, and we love to hear your feedback as soon as possible. Together, we are not just building the world's #1 form builder, we are reshaping how businesses are run in the AI era. Thank you very much. And on behalf of our team, I thank you for supporting us all this time. Have a great day.